I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by creating and verifying your Eventbrite organizer account so attendees see a trusted host. Once done, create a new event and explicitly select online as the format so platform features align. Make sure to set the correct time zone and a clear start/end time. This prevents confusion for international attendees. Next, choose ticket types, free, paid, or donation, and set capacity limits. These early choices determine checkout flow, reporting, and which integrations you can add later. Now you flesh out the event so attendees know what to expect. You should write a concise description, upload an image, add agenda items, and list speakers with short bios to build credibility. Then integrate your streaming method, connect Zoom, YouTube, or paste an embed link so Eventbrite can deliver the right join instructions. Also configure registration questions and automated confirmation emails. Tailor emails with the join link and any access codes. These steps control attendee experience and reduce support requests. When everything's set, publish and immediately test the registration flow by buying a ticket or signing up with a test email so you see confirmation messages. Then amplify reach, schedule social posts, send targeted promo codes, and use tracking links. Monitor Eventbrite analytics to spot registration trends and adjust pricing or messaging. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting by confirming time zone consistency, verifying the streaming link visibility to attendees, and checking email deliverability and spam filters before your live start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.